Tanzania ni nchi moja na watu waelevu sana. Hii ni football na mpira leo umeonekana, watu wamekuja uwanjani, kwa hiyo kila mtu kaona. Unaona? Kila mtu ameona football, kwa hiyo Watanzania wenyewe ndio matokeo, sisi tumefungwa lakini watu wameona mpira. Sina mengine ya kuongea zaidi ya hilo.
We deserve the win. We deserve the win. We have the main ball possession. We created the best chance. Did you see again the goal that we conceded? Is unbelievable. Huh? The same goal when in Dodoma, but without the win is not possible to concede goal like that. It's very lucky from Kagera Sugar, but also I think a mistake of appreciation of the fly of the ball of my goalkeeper. It's the second time that it happens. But okay, we had a bit difficult to come back, but I think we play again offensively. Like I said, we created chances. Again, the main problem was to finish the chances, you know. And finally, again, I was thinking, hey, again, we are unlucky because we hit the crossbar, but Moringa followed and he equalized. Then the penalty there for the 2-1, I think it could have been 1 or 2 penalty more for us, and I think perhaps 1 penalty for the opponent. I have to review that at the television, but okay. At the end of the day, our target was to qualify, and we succeeded to qualify, and I want to congratulate my players and the staff. And now we have to do refreshing again because we have a game in some days and we have to travel there in Biashara and play on a very bad pitch and have the war there because we cannot play soccer. But we play against a very good team of Kagera Sugar with a very good rotation, but I knew that between the midfielders and the wingers, between number 4, number 17, number 13, and they had good players like the number 26 and the players who came in. What I regretted a bit is when we scored the second goal and when they had the red card, I don't know why we started to panic because we are doing ball possession every day at the training and most of you are there. You have to keep the ball. If not, if you kick the ball like we were doing, you cannot see that you are in superiority, you know. Then in place of be calm, pass the ball, pass the ball, pass the ball. You are 11 against 10, 11 against 9. So it was a bit stressful at the end, but our target was to qualify and to go through the semi-final. Let's see who will meet in the semi-final. It will be Osimba or Azam, we know that. It will be difficult, but yeah, the result is there, and I'm happy about that, and I'm happy for the fans, I'm happy for the leaders, and for all the people of Yanga who are supporting Yanga. I have a question. Chikalo, because was a bit responsible on the goal that we conceded also last week. Look, today Metacha is a bit responsible. Sometimes we are lacking of pressing and marking, you know. How is it possible that the left back dribble one guy and then he come 1, 2, 3 again, like against Zamungo, you dribble 2, 3 men and then you are allowed to shoot at the entrance of the box. It's not normal. We have to work on it, yes. Yeah. Bad behavior during the camp, and I decided to release him this morning.
What the problem?
I don't want to enter in the details. Bad behavior. If you want, I think the club will make, I don't know how we said it in English, an announcement. Thank you very much later. But me, I don't want to speak about it. Just say bad behavior of Morrison in the camp. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened to him. Really, since I come back, I don't recognize my boy that I brought here. I speak a lot with him, all the time. I don't know what's happening here. But now, like I said, I decided this morning to put him out of the camp. Then the club will certainly make an announcement about it.
So you mean you don't need him anymore?
Who said that? Did I say that? No? So you see how you are guys in Tanzania. You're making rumors, imagining story. I come back from Belgium with a striker. How can it be like that? It's impossible. I don't know if really... So no, I don't want to... I say to you, I put him out of the camp because of bad behavior, misconduct in the camp. It's finished. I don't say that I don't want him anymore. There are rules, but there are rules. The rules are for everybody, also for Morrison. There are rules, the same for Eden Hazard, when Thibaut Courtois, when other players in Real Madrid. Huh? Not bad. He can hold well the ball. He can hold well the ball. He scored again a goal today. He was fighting. He's still a bit lack of fitness. He still has some weight to lose, but you see that he's not bad at all. Huh? He saved us already last week and last game, and again, not last game. It was two goals from Kaseke, but the game before against Namungo, and then yes. I think good performance of Molinga, but still has 3K or 4 kg to lose. Two questions. Huh?
Which team do you prefer to face in the semi?
We will face a good team.
Which team do you prefer?
We will face a good team. There are two good teams. Simba is a champion, like I told you. I congratulate them last game, and I congratulate them also on my Instagram account, Facebook account, and on Twitter. Let's see what will happen. We'll see. Simple, no, I don't prefer anybody. I know what the fans prefer. But me, I don't prefer anybody. We will face a very good team. Azam is a very good team, and Simba is a good team.